everyone, my name is Lindsay and welcome back to my channel. I have just filmed a video on this makeup look. It is my everyday makeup. It is neutral, pretty natural. It's my go-to makeup look when I just want a slightly glamorous but also still put together look. I hope you will check it out and enjoy it. It is my first makeup video, so I am still trying to learn where the best place to film is, the best lighting, and what I can do to make the videos better quality. It is a pretty cute video and it is my first makeup. Today I'm going to be reviewing a company called Lipscense. Lipscense is a company that is famous for their long-lasting lip colors. These lip colors are liquid lipsticks. They are said to last up to 18 hours, be kiss-proof, smudge-proof, and waterproof. Today I am going to be reviewing my little starter kit that I got. I purchased these products from my good friend Elise. Elise is one of my very best friends. I have talked about her a couple times on my channel. If you are interested in purchasing any of these products, I will leave her website link down below and you can buy products from her. She's a really great person and super sweet, and I appreciate her sending me these colors. Elise sent me my starter lip kit in this adorable packaging. I love the lips. I'm such a sucker for packaging. When you purchase your Lipscense, you will get what is called a starter kit. The starter kit will include your lip colors, a shea butter gloss, and what is called the Oops Remover, which helps you take off your lipstick at the end of the night. The two colors I got are Fly Girl. Fly Girl is your classic bold red lip color. And I have Bella, which is a berry color, so perfect for fall, and it matches my shirt pretty much. I am super excited to try these products. If you go back and watch my makeup routine video, the first thing I did was I exfoliated my lips. Now, exfoliating your lips is very important because it sloshes off all the dead skin cells and leaves your lips ready to soak in the lip color and be hydrated. After I applied my lip exfoliator and exfoliated my lips, I applied a hydrating lip balm. The lip balm has been sitting on my lips for about a half hour now, so I think my lips are pretty well prepared. I would highly recommend that you exfoliate your lips before applying lip color because the lip color will apply so much more smoothly and your lips will actually be able to absorb the color more, and when your lipstick comes off, it may look like a stain. So the color I'm going to try is called Bella. This is our berry color. So it is brand new. It is still in its seal. The directions say apply in one direction beginning with the outside corner of the mouth. Apply 3 layers, letting each dry 3 to 5 seconds. Finish with your favorite Lipscense gloss. First thing we're going to do is shake up the product to blend the color all together. Now I am removing the safety seal from the lip color. This is my very first time using it. I thought about testing out these colors earlier in the week so I can do more of a review, but I thought it'd be neat to do a first impression so we can learn together and it is more authentic. The seal is off. Now, I still have a little bit of lip balm left, so I'm just going to wipe that off because my lips are a little bit wet from the moisturizer. Okay, so it looks like my lips are prepared. I'm ready. So this is what the wand looks like. It is a felt tip paddle wand, and now I'm going to start applying. Oh wow. I do feel my lips tingling a little bit. It does have kind of like an alcohol ish smell. Be sure to get the corners of your mouth. Now, I'm going to let this lip color sit on my lips for about 10 seconds, just to make sure it dries. This first coat, I'm noticing it is a little bit sticky or tacky, so I wouldn't press your lips together. I know a lot of women like to really press their lips or squish their lips together to get the product distributed, but I want to follow the exact directions to make sure I'm applying this product correctly so I can review it in its full. So it's been about 10 seconds and I am ready to apply the second coat. This second coat, my friend Elise recommends that anyone who tries Lipscence exfoliates their lips and moisturizes them so that way they can be hydrated and healthy as possible. A lot of people have reported the Lipscence to sting if they haven't really exfoliated or moisturized their lips at all, if they just apply the color to their lips without having prepped them. I don't really feel stinging anymore, which is good, and this color is gorgeous. I really like it. It's really beautiful. So it's been 10 more seconds and I'm going to apply the third coat. So there is the third coat. This is a really beautiful color. So my first thoughts are, I really like the color. You do have to apply the coats correctly. So you have to apply one coat, wait 10 seconds, apply the second coat, wait 5 to 10 seconds, apply the third coat, wait 5 to 10 seconds. But the color gets stronger every time you apply it. My second thought is the lip color feels like my natural lips. A lot of times when I wear lipstick or even chapstick, I feel like it's on top of my lips and I can't, it just makes me more conscious that I have the color on my lips. But it really feels like very, very natural. I don't know how else to describe it. My third thought is the color does take some time to apply, but it is very, very worth it. I'm absolutely in love with how this is turning out. Now I'm going to put the gloss over it. I ordered the matte gloss. I think a matte lip is so appropriate for fall, but I also really like glossy lips, so maybe I will go ahead and order the actual glossy color. But today we're just going to try the matte color gloss, if I can get the seal off. There we go. This gloss is so moisturizing. That feels amazing, and it didn't even come off on the brush. I don't know if you can see that, but the lip color did not come off on the brush at all. See? Nothing. Okay, So now we are going to do the kiss proof, smudge proof, and the waterproof test. I went down and I got a glass of water. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you can see that, but there is no trace of my lip color. Nothing. Oh my gosh. This is incredible. This is like magic. Now we're gonna do the kiss proof test. Oh my gosh. Nothing. Now I have a wine glass and I'm just gonna rub my lips all over this and see if the color comes off at all. Wow. Nothing. That's crazy. My impression of these products are they are amazing. I am so happy I purchased them. I'm so excited to try Fly Girl soon. I would highly recommend these products to anyone. I think this is magic. It's really, really nice and it feels really good on my lips. The gloss is really, really moisturizing. It does help a lot. Well, thank you so much for watching my Lipscense review. If you are interested in purchasing any of these products, I will leave my friend Elise's information down below. Thank you so much for all your support and watching my videos. I really, really do appreciate it. I hope you all have a great day and I will talk to you very soon. Bye.